c greater than 0 implies c greater than 1, that implies hyperbola. Exercise 5.3, identifying the conic. Ax square plus bxy plus cy square plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. If a equal to c equal to 1, b equal to 0, the conic is circle. If a or c equal to 0 and b equal to 0, parabola. If a not equal to z, a and c have same sign, ellipse. If a not equal to z, a and c opposite sign, hyperbola. If a equal to c, b equal to d equal to e equal to f equal to 0, x square plus y square equal to 0, a equal to c equal to f, b equal to d equal to e equal to 0, x square plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. No real solution. If a not equal to 0, c not equal to 0, b, d, e, f are 0. Coordinate axis. If a equal to minus c, b, d, e, f equal to 0, x square minus y square equal to 0. Thank you.